Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to test the all clear message, which you heard before, but to show you on the new panel, I'm going to show you how it works.
May I have your attention, please? The all clear has been given. All SWAT employees report back to your station. May I have your attention, please? The all clear has been given. All SWAT employees report back to your station. May I have your attention, please? The all clear has been given. All SWAT employees report back to your station.
As you see, no trouble. So it must have been when I recorded the message, I might have recorded it too loud, or it might not have been mono, or it might not have been stereo. It could have been mono, so I'm going to try to re-record it and see what I can do. So yeah, that's it right there.